Hello and welcome to this new tutorial of the series PHP. Today we will see very important concept with the practical implementation, that is file upload in PHP. So PHP file upload is very important because it will be used for many practical purposes like in projects, in industry as well. So let's start. With PHP, it is easy to upload files to the server. However, with ease comes danger. So always be careful when allowing file uploads. So first thing is configure the php.ini file. First ensure that PHP is configured to allow file uploads. In your php.ini file, search for the file underscore uploads directive and set it to on. Okay, that is file underscore uploads is equal to on. Then create the HTML form. Okay, next an HTML form that allow users to choose the image file they want to upload. So some rules to follow for the HTML form is make sure that the form uses method post. Okay, enc type is equal to in double quotes multipart slash form data. Okay, double quote complete. It specifies which content type to use when submitting the form. Without the requirements, the file upload will not work. Other things to notice are the type is equal to file attribute of the input tag shows the input field as a field file select control with a browse button next to the input control. The form above sends data to a file called upload.php which will create next. So now the create the upload file PHP script. We will see first what is the output here. Okay, so that you will understand what we are going to do it practically or what is exactly output we require. First let's see the output what we require, then you will understand what kind of program we will see. So this is the program for upload your file. Okay, here we can choose the file which we are going to upload. Okay, and then we click on the upload button and the file will uploaded in the specified folder here. Okay, so choose the file. Okay, here I will choose the image file. Okay, food name. So this is the file which I have chosen, and then I have uploaded. Message is given here. The file food name 1271.jpg has been uploaded. Okay, so now it is uploaded to C drive XAMPP. Okay, in htdocs. In PHP I have created uploads folder where this food name 1271 has been uploaded here. Okay, now I will upload one more file. See here there are only 3 files uploaded, so I will upload now the fourth file. Okay, so I will choose another file here. Okay, choose file, then I will choose another file, that is food name 7833. Okay, this is the file I have chosen. Okay, now I have chosen this and I will upload. Okay, the food name 7833.jpg has been uploaded. So now I will tell you how the changes will be done. Okay, the fourth file is uploaded, that is food name. So this is how the PHP file upload will work. Now we will see the code for which we will do the programming. Okay, so let's see the example. For the designing the HTML form, here is the code. So here we have started with the HTML head and the title is upload your files. Okay, then the body, in body we are going to use the form enc type. Okay, form enc type, as I have told you, that the it specifies which content type to use when submitting the form. Okay, so the content type is multipart slash form data, where action is equal to upload.php and method is equal to post. Okay, because the action is done on the upload.php. So the file which we have now see is the upload.php, so action is taken on that file only. Then we have in paragraph upload your file. Okay, so for that the input type is equal to file and name is equal to uploaded underscore file, and we have taken the one submit button for uploading the file. Okay, where value is equal to upload. So this is how we have created the upload file form. This is the choose file and this is the upload button. Okay, then we will see the code for upload in upload.php. So the PHP script I will explain here. That is the dollar target underscore directory, dollar target underscore directory is equal to, in double quote, uploads. Okay, slash, which specifies the directory where the file is going to be placed. Then the dollar target underscore file. So this specifies the path of the file to be uploaded. Then dollar upload OK is equal to 1 is not use it, will be used later. Okay, then the dollar image file type holds the file extension of the file in lowercase. Then the next is check if the image file is an actual image or fake image. Okay, so this will be done here. So note for you is you will need to create a new directory called uploads in the directory where upload.php file resides. The uploaded file will be saved there. So this is the code for uploading the file. So this is the path where the file will be uploaded. Okay, then this is the file name, base name, and we will move that uploaded file to that specified path which we have provided with the base name. Okay, and then we will print has been uploaded. Okay, and if it gives the error, then the message will be there was an error uploading the file, please try again. Okay, one more thing you can add here for checking if the file already exists, same file already exists. Okay, for that the code is below which I have commented for checking if the file is already exists. If file underscore exist in bracket target underscore file, then echo sorry file already exists. Then we have made upload OK is equal to 0 because it is already 1. Okay, so this is the code for checking if the file is already exist. First we will check if the file already exists in the uploads folder. If it does, an error message is displayed, and $upload OK is set to 0 here. Then the next thing is limit the file size. We can limit the file size also. Okay, for limiting the file size, the code is here. Okay, checking the file size. So if $_files in bracket file to upload and the size is greater than 500 KB. So now if it is greater than that, then file will not be uploaded. That is, the message will be given that sorry, your file is too large, and then upload OK is equal to 0 has been set. We want to check the size, okay, of the file. If the file is larger than 500 KB, an error message displayed, and upload OK is set to 0 here. Okay, then the next important thing here is we can allow certain file types, that is limit the file type. So for that, the code is here. Okay, the code below only allow users to upload JPG, PNG and GIF files. All other file types gives an error message before setting $upload OK to 0 here. So only this type of files will be uploaded: JPG, PNG, okay, JPEG. These type files, GIF files are only uploaded. For that, the code is if image file type, okay, not equal to JPG, not equal to PNG, not equal to JPEG, and not equal to GIF, then the error message will be given, that is sorry, only JPG, PNG and GIF files are allowed. And then we have said upload OK is equal to 0 here. Okay, you can limit the file size, you can limit the file format, and you can check if the upload file is already exist or not. So this is all about the file upload in PHP. Okay, do like, comment and share this video to your friends, and if you are new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Okay, keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.